Brian O'Bannon of Morton Buildings coming at you once again for this episode of Morton Moments. And let's take this moment to talk about Morton crews. You know, these guys are hard workers, no doubt about it. They weather the elements, whether it's rain, snow, sunshine, wind, you name it. These guys are in the dirt and the mud. And their sole purpose is to make sure that your job goes off without a hitch. They want to make sure that your project is put up as fast and efficient and cleanly as possible, and to make sure that you're satisfied with the end result. And we do that with equipment such as, say, the scissor lift there, or the scissor truck, which is much larger, or even the telehandler equipment right here behind me. And again, it's all about coming together as a team to safely, efficiently, and as quick as possible getting your project on the ground and up in the air and complete. All for you. So when you are looking for the builder for your next project, Morton is no doubt the best choice for you. That's it for this edition of Morton Moments for this week. Be sure to join me next time. Thanks for joining us.